From now henceforth, when you are choosing ingredients, either you see that this ingredient is trending or you just want to try out things. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, White Label Skincare. If this is your first time in this channel, you are welcome. Thanks for coming. Then if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for staying by. Today we'll be talking about the mistakes that make a lot of skincare products not to work, despite all the good ingredients that you know of and you select them, but still your formula still fails. That is what we are going to be talking about today, because I know I've been getting a lot of questions that natural skincare product, they said it works, but mine is not working. My customers are complaining, my lotion is separating, my product is turning watery, the consistency is changing, a whole lot of questions. I said let us address that. The thing is that why your skincare formulation fails is because most of us will choose ingredients based on trend. We don't actually consider what this ingredient is going to do. At the end of the day, you see people making a lightening product with an ingredient, but yours is the other way around. It's not working. And you keep wondering, what am I doing well? What am I not doing good? What is the problem? The problem is that it's not all ingredients trend that you jump on. It's not all ingredients trend that you jump on. Number two is that you need to understand the purpose of choosing that ingredient. Just because you see a formulator making a lightening product with Sepi white or Pitero white or tranexamic, so you are like, oh, they said this ingredient is good, then you just pick it, you dump it into your formula. You didn't actually think about the mechanism, you didn't actually think about the pH, you didn't actually think about the compactability. You get that is why you see you make a product and you expect this product to give a beautiful result, but it will end up doing the other way around. You have to understand that each product has what they do. From now henceforth, make sure you choose your ingredients with a purpose. Don't choose ingredients because Mr. A or Mrs. B is working with something, like, oh, because they said this is trending, I have to, when I'm making my next product, I have to add it into it. Then you forget that there are some ingredients, there are some ingredients that are actually supportive ingredients. By the time you put it, instead of it to give you result that you were expecting, it will end up giving you the other result. It will destabilize your lotion, it will change color, it will do a whole lot of things, and you are wondering what am I doing right. Make sure you do your own research very well. Make sure you do research that what pH does this product work, are they compatible with other ingredients. Make sure you do your own research very well. Make sure you do research that what pH does this product work, are they compatible with other ingredients, what packaging container do I need to put this. Let's say for instance now you see someone making a lotion with refrescical powder and you're like, I'm going to use it, and at the end of the day you use it. Then after using it, just within few weeks, your product is changing color and you're like, what did I do wrong? You didn't know that that person that is actually hyping that ingredient, after making the product, there is a particular container that this ingredient, like this product needs to be. So it does not have to come in contact with light, with air, so it needs to be preserved. But because you see that a lot of people are talking about it and you believe this person very well, that these are their active ingredients, and you work with it. When you work with it and you put your own in a container that is a see-through container, so by the time it changes color, it has actually lose the efficacy. It's not going to give what it's supposed to give. It's going to give the reverse effects, and this has actually been a lot of challenge for a lot of people. From now henceforth, choose your ingredients with purpose. Make sure you do your research. Make sure other ingredients are. From now henceforth, what I want you to do is that choose your ingredients with purpose. Do your research very well. Understand the temperature in which that ingredient is being effective. Then understand their compatibility. Some of these ingredients, they might not work with each other. Let's say you are making a lightening lotion and you choose your ingredients very well, and at the end of the day, you had like some AHA to actually help exfoliate the skin, and there are some of these ingredients that does not work with AHA. When you now include AHA into the product and you expect that this is going to help to exfoliate and make the product work better, it will not work better. It will rather destabilize it, to totally cancel the other ingredients, and it's no longer to be effective. And you'll be wondering, this my formula, there is SEPY, there is AHA, there is this, there is that. How come it's not working? You don't know that one ingredient can actually cancel the other one. And make sure you control your heats. Heat temperature is very, very important when it comes to natural skincare formulation. The pH also is very, very important. Make sure you balance the pH of your product. Just make sure you do 10% solution of citric acid and keep it aside, and you have your lye 10% as well, keep it aside, so that whenever you finish making your product, you always check the temperature. So if you need to increase it, you increase it with the right buffer solution. If you need to decrease it, you need to decrease it with the right buffer solution. At the end of the day, if all this thing works in place, trust me, natural skincare formulation works. If you have any question or there's anything you want us to talk about, we are here and we will respond to it. And if you are looking forward to starting a skincare brand, make sure you do it the right way. Make sure you get your good formula. You can meet any cosmetic chemist to develop formula for you. We also do that, but anywhere you are, you can actually get it from anywhere. Then if you want to start with white label is actually very good because it can help you to start with trusted formulas. You can meet anywhere you are watching this video from. Check within your locality. You can, if you see any white label company, they can actually get their product and you rebrand it and sell. We also do that, or you just option for contract manufacturing. Now, what's different between contract manufacturing and white label? White labeling is that you get a product that has been produced, has been tested, trusted, and is already selling. You just rebrand it with your own name and resell. While contract manufacturing is that I have an idea, this is what I want to make. For you to come or you meet anybody and let the person know that this is how I want it to be, and that product will actually be produced based on your specification. This is the difference between white label skincare, contract manufacturing. Thank you so much for stepping by. If you've not subscribed, see, that's the only thing I am begging you. See, this is the only method this event you can actually give to me. Please click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. Anytime we have a new video, you will get notified. If there is anything you want us to talk about, be it formulation, be it ingredient review, be it anything, don't forget to drop it at the comment section. Have a wonderful day and bye till I see you on the next one. Bye.